This video is about the impulse of collisions. The impulse of a collision is equal to the change in momentum. Remember that momentum p in kilograms meters per second is equal to mass in kilograms times velocity in meters per second. So the change in momentum is equal to the momentum after minus the momentum before, which is equal to mv minus mu. Impulse is also equal to force times time of the collision, F times delta t. If we rearrange the equation for impulse, we obtain the equation for impact force. F is equal to the change momentum divided by the time, which is equal to mv minus mu divided by delta t. The higher the impact force, then the bigger the change in momentum. So the bigger the change in velocity when more force is needed to reduce the velocity by a bigger amount. So when u is much bigger than v. Due to its higher mass, hail has a higher impact force with an umbrella than rain. More force is required to hold up the umbrella when it is hailing than when it is raining. A collision that takes place over a longer period of time will reduce the force of the impact on the object. For a bigger time, then, force is smaller. A crash mat is an example of a device that reduces impact force. A climber will fall from the rock onto the mat. The mat compresses upon impact, increasing the contact time and reducing the force on the climber so they are less likely to break their bones. All vehicle safety features work by absorbing energy upon impact by changing shape, to increase the time over which the impact force acts, hence increasing the time for the vehicle to change momentum and come to rest. This increased time reduces the force and hence the injury on the passengers. Practice explaining these features to others so you feel more confident you can do it concisely in your exam. This worked example is about calculating the impact force. A car of mass 850 kilograms drives into a wall with a velocity of 28 meters per second. The car is in contact with the wall for 0.7 seconds. After the collision, the car rolls backwards away from the wall with a velocity of 5 meters per second. Calculate the average force of the wall on the car for the duration of the impact for 4 marks. Remember that impulse is equal to the change in momentum, which is equal to force times contact time. The change in momentum is momentum after minus momentum before. Calculate the momentum before the collision. Mass times initial velocity is equal to mu, which is equal to 850 times 28, which equals 23,800 kilograms meters per second for 1 mark. Calculate the momentum after the collision. Mass times the final velocity is equal to mv, which is equal to 850 times minus 5, which equals minus 4,250 kilogram meters per second for 1 mark. The object is now moving backwards in the opposite direction, so the velocity is negative. Calculate the change in momentum. The change in momentum, delta p, is equal to mass times final velocity minus mass times initial velocity. This equals minus 4,250 minus 23,800 to give minus 28,050 kilograms meters per second for 1 mark. Now calculate the force of the wall on the car. Change in momentum is equal to force times impact time. Rearrange this equation to make force F the subject, so F is equal to delta P divided by delta T, which is equal to minus 28,050 divided by 0.7, which equals minus 40,071.43. The force is negative because it acts in the negative direction, the opposite direction to the initial direction of motion of the car. The question asks for the magnitude or size of the force. This is 40,000 newtons to 2 significant figures for 1 mark. Always write your answers to the same number of significant figures as given in the question. In summary, impulse is equal to change in momentum. where momentum p is equal to mass times velocity. So the change in momentum is equal to the momentum after minus the momentum before, where v is equal to the final velocity and u is the initial velocity. Impulse is also equal to the force times the time of the impact. Rearranging this equation gives F is equal to the change in momentum divided by the time. From this, we can see that the longer the impact time, the smaller the impact force, and the less damage the object receives. Vehicles are fitted with safety devices such as crumple zones, seat belts, and airbags, designed to increase impact time and reduce passenger injury. Don't forget to check out all our other fantastic revision resources here at Save My Exams.